Hey there, my people. So I got a new fishing reel. This one I got off at Amazon. Because I bought a new pole the other day from Ollie's, which I'll show y'all in a minute. But I want to show y'all this new reel. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I got my beautiful granddaughter doing the modeling for the reel. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
This is the new reel I got. Slow down a little bit, mama. Yeah. So let me get in close so y'all can see that. Nice blue and white. I wanted to find one that would closely match with the rod I just got from Ollie's. And this was a nice blue and white one I found on Amazon. It came yesterday. Another spinning reel. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the rod I got. The rod I got to go with it, which is right here. It's a blue and white Shakespeare tiger rod. I'm gonna put that reel on this rod. Nice little rod. I paid like $15 for this rod at Ollie's. It's blue and white, so that's why I got the blue and white spinning reel. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all done bought any fishing gear from Ollie's or Amazon, y'all keep an eye out, 'cause I got more to come. I appreciate y'all. Me and my baby, we out. Let go.